Welcome to Asyn Code. It's time to unlock your full coding potential. Hit like, subscribe, and keep up with my latest tutorials. In Python, an iterator is an object that can be iterated, looped, upon, meaning that you can traverse through all the values of the iterator one by one. Here, we are creating a custom iterator class called Countdown. This class will take a starting value and count down to 0, printing each value. The init method is the constructor of the class. It initializes the starting point of the countdown. The start parameter is the value from which the countdown will begin. The iter method makes the object iterable. In Python, for an object to be used in a loop, like in a for loop, it needs an iter method. In this case, we return self, meaning the object itself is the iterator. The next method is what gets the next item from the iterator when you call next. This is where the countdown actually happens. Each time next is called, the current value of start will decrease by 1. When the start value reaches 0 or less, we raise a stop iteration exception to signal the end of the countdown. Decrease the countdown value by 1. Create an instance of countdown with a starting value of 5. This means the countdown will start at 5. Using a for loop to go through each value of the countdown. Python automatically calls the iter and next methods behind the scenes. What happens here? First, the iter method is called to get the iterator, the object itself. Then, the for loop repeatedly calls the next method to get the next value. The countdown continues until the stop iteration exception is raised when the countdown reaches 0. Now run our code. That's all for today, folks. Please like and subscribe for more awesome content.